In this video, I wanted to look in a bit more depth at this positively monumental title, which has the size and grandeur of Mount Rushmore. And it is Integrated Management of Insect Pests, which is co-edited by Emeritus Marcus Kogan of Oregon State University and Emeritus Professor E.A. Short-Heinrichs, University of Nebraska-Lincoln. The book provides a comprehensive, and I really do mean comprehensive, review of the latest developments in integrated pest management. Part 1 is on the ecological foundations of IPM and looks at issues such as developments in detection and quantification, advances in the ecology of pest species, including invasive species, the key importance of understanding agro-ecosystems in providing natural controls for pests, and the key issue of advances in understanding of plant-insect interactions. Part 2 looks at developments in cultural and physical techniques in IPM, such as breeding resistant crops, as well as advances in physical control techniques. Part 3 looks at advances in biological methods, such as developments in classical conservation and augmentative biological control, as well as the use of entopathogenic fungi, viruses and nematodes. The next part, Part 4, looks at issues relating to chemical control. So it looks at developments, for example, in more selective pesticides, current research on the ecological and health impacts of pesticide use, and the new generation of more environmentally friendly pesticides, such as peptide-based biopesticides. The final part looks at the key issue of implementation, so including case studies on integrated management of nematodes and mites, and also the very important issue of the economics of IPM. And there's a final really fascinating chapter by Professor Kogan on the future directions that IPM needs to take. Well, I'll conclude, if I may, by quoting Professor Timothy Showalter of Louisiana State University, and he's been very kind enough to say the following: "This book promises to be an invaluable reference for the IPM research community. The editors and authors represent an international pool of experts as well as many pioneers in this field. Their reflections on current status and future developments of IPM represent the best perspective in this area." Well, we hope you'll feel the buzz too.